everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are actually testing out a viral makeup hack, what we call it. I've seen Manny MUA has already tested this on his YouTube channel and I thought I want to get that and I'm going to try it for myself. It's this little magic eyeshadow stamp crease. First seen this on Instagram and thought that's a good idea. I bought this off eBay. It was for £2 or £3 I think, which is absolutely nothing. So it just comes like this. It wasn't wrapped or anything, it was literally just in the box, so make sure you sanitize it first. So it just has like the little puffy handle here. Don't know if there's like air in that. And then it just has this is just rubber. So it was quite flexible too. I didn't realize it would have been flexible. I thought it would have been quite hard for whatever reason. So I wanted to get it and try it out, see if it was worth the £2 or £3, see if it worked. And it did work. But if you want to see how I got this look and how easy it is to use this little thing, well then just keep watching. Okay, so just to save a little bit of time, I've already done one eye. I went for blues. I don't think I have ever had blues on my eyes. Colors just scare me quite a bit. I always tend to stick to like warm tones, so to have this on my face is a little bit daunting for me. But we'll go for something a little bit different anyway. So for this, I am using the MUA Makeup Academy palette. This is their Tropical Oceana palette. I'm going with this gorgeous blue shade here. This is in the shade Surf. So we're just going to use this and put this all through our crease. I'm just blending this nearly up into the brow bone as well. And then going in with a big fluffy brush just to blend it out, and this is the Center Feather 15 brush. And then going in with this end shade here. This is called Stingray, just a nice deep blue. And again, just on that same brush with the first colour we've used, I'm just going to layer this on top, just slightly underneath that first colour. And I'm going to tilt my head back for this. So I'm just getting my colour on first. I'm not worrying about blending or anything yet. I just want to get the colour packed on. And just to blend out that blue, I'm going in with that first shade again, just overlapping the two colours just so they blend nicely together. And then with those same shades, I'm going to run this underneath our lashes as well. I'm looking in the viewfinder, this is just so scary for me. I'm looking going, oh dear gosh. Everyone else seems to suit these really like over the top eye looks and I just don't feel that I suit them at all. My really exciting part using this stamp. So the stamp comes in this little box here. I'll put a link down below. I just got this off eBay. I think it was like £3, which complete bargain. I don't think it's the one that was sort of doing the rounds on Instagram. It seemed to be like a gold sort of like stamper. But yeah, I seen that Manny MUA has already done a testing video on this and he has the same packaging as what I have. I don't give instructions or anything, it just says that it helps make precise eyeshadow designs for creative new looks. It makes precise makeup designs for special occasions or everyday wear. It's for beginners and for the creative makeup artist. Buy now to make faster and more accurate makeup eyeshadow designs. Universally wearable, it's suitable for all occasions, it's it's easy to use and you're done in seconds. So it comes like this. Now it doesn't come wrapped up in like a little plastic bag or anything, it literally just came in this. So make sure I have this like sanitized and everything before you put it anywhere near your eyes. So this is it here. It's a little bit more curved along the top than it is at the bottom. It doesn't say about a certain concealer or anything to use. I am just using the MAC Select Cover Up Concealer. I'm pretty sure any concealer would work with this, but because I've already done it in this eye, And I'm going to use it in this one too. So I just put a little dollop there, and I'm then going to use just like a little flat top brush just to paste it onto the stamp, and I'm only going halfway across. And make sure you bring it right up to the edges as well. And what I done then was just grabbed a little tissue and make sure you're wiping the edges so that you're not left like a really like raggedy line. So we're left with something like that. Please go right for me on camera. Pretty please. I need a mirror for this. I need a mirror. I'm not pressing too hard, I'm just pressing on for a few seconds. And okay, that one didn't work out as well. Okay, let's go again, let's go again. I don't think I had enough product on it, but I do have that little line there. So to be honest, I think that's the most hardest part, getting a cut crease, isn't it? Just getting that little line. I knew it wasn't gonna work for me on camera. Okay, round 2. Do I look gorgeous? Yay! That worked better. Oh, I love this little tool. It is so great. You can see how easy that was. So I'm just going to go in with my brush and just tidy up any little gaps that the stamp hasn't transferred. Just using a smaller brush and just blending those edges of the concealer into the rest of the eyeshadow. Just going in with a peaches and cream pigment. This is in the shade Disco, so just a nice gorgeous silver. I'm going to go in with the same brush that I use for the concealer and dip into our pigment. And I'm just patting this on. With these pigments, I would recommend, if you are doing them, to do your eye makeup first, because they do fall out quite a bit. I've quite a bit underneath my eyes at the minute that I need to wipe away. So just keep that in mind. Just do your eye makeup first, or do what I'm doing and put a tissue underneath your eyes. So once we have that done, I'm just going to go back in with the same 2 colours that we had used. So just that light blue, and I'm just going to gently tap that over our pigment, just to soften the glitter into the eyeshadow. I don't want like a big straight line or anything like that. So I'm not swiping, I'm just pressing the shadow just lightly over, just merging those. I'm going in with the darker blue, and I'm just patting this on the outer corner, merging that into that lighter blue shade. And then just to deepen that blue up a little bit further, I'm going in with the Morphe Dirty Create palette. I'm using their darkest blue shade right there. I'm just tapping that on the very outer corner. I'm just going to pop off camera and do my eyeliner, lashes and mascara, and I'll be back in 2 wee ticks. I'm back. So I'm going to just go in with the PS Pure Glow highlighting palette. I'm going in with this little shade here just to highlight my inner corner, and I'm going to run a little bit on my brow bone. And then for lips, I don't want to go for anything too mad because look at my eyes. So I picked up the MUA Makeup Academy. This is a Prism lip kit. So you get your base coat, and then you get like a little lip topper, like a holographic lip topper that you can put on top. So that's what we're going to do. So this will dry completely matte, and then I'm going to go over the top with their holographic lip gloss. Ooh. Lips are done. And then to set everything in place, my favourite, the Revolution Pro Fix. So everyone, that is it for the finished look. What do you think? I cannot get over how good this little bad boy is. It just makes everything so much easier. Whether you're a complete beginner, I think you could use this. Whether you're an advanced makeup artist, I'm actually really surprised it worked. I thought it was just going to be one of those novelty things that seem to work on the likes of Facebook or Instagram. It's going to make your life so much easier if you're doing makeup on yourself, makeup on other people. Yeah, I would really recommend buying it. I'll put the link down below in the description box. That is it for the finished look. If you liked the video, remember to give it a big thumbs up for me and hit the little subscribe button. I just recently hit 250 subscribers. Thank you so much. Doesn't seem a great lot, but it took me ages to get there. So I'm all biz. Thank you so much if you have subscribed. And yeah, I will see you all again in the next video. Bye!